Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start now, set sensitivity to mid-range, and choose a player with high agility so inputs register cleanly. Once done, begin from a jog to bait the defender. Tap sprint briefly to trigger acceleration, then immediately hold the juke/precision button and push the right stick slightly away from the tackle. This initial combination creates the lean and weight shift that defines the sway. Make sure to practice the timing in a single drive for muscle memory before applying it in live play. Once you've triggered the basic sway, focus on timing, watch the defender's footwork, and commit when they overextend. Use only a 1/4 right stick deflection combined with the juke button for a subtle body lean instead of a full spin. This keeps your speed. Then cancel the animation by releasing sprint or tapping cut move to regain top speed. Doing these small adjustments lets you exploit hesitation windows. So mix short and long sways to keep defenders guessing and retain forward moment. To finish the play, chain the sway into a burst. Immediately release sprint to shorten the animation, then tap sprint again to explode out of the lean. This prevents speed bleed. Practice sequences of 50 to 100 reps in the trainer so the motion becomes natural under pressure. If it feels clunky, check 2 settings: lower stick sensitivity and shorten how long you hold sprint. That fixes most issues. If problems persist, swap to a slightly higher agility player and repeat training until it feels fluid.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.